Hello and welcome to the AVS Cloud demo. My name is Vernon. I'll be demonstrating the AVS Cloud today in hopes of enlightening everyone on what the AVS Cloud can do for you. Okay, right now we have, as you can see, we have our plain Windows 7 desktop, and if we look into programs, there's no Microsoft programs installed on this machine. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our Internet Explorer, and we'll open it up to our cloud services portal, and we're going to go ahead and download and install our AVS Cloud Services Launchpad. Now the Launchpad is basically our software that will allow you to run your cloud services desktop on any computer that the Launchpad is installed on. As you can see, we'll get this installed pretty quickly. Okay, now we have it installed. We're going to run the Launchpad. We can minimize our browser now. We'll enter our email address. It's the first thing it asks for. Okay, say okay. Okay, there we go. Wait a few minutes. The Launchpad should be successfully installed. Okay, we've got the Launchpad successfully installed. Okay, it pops up and it asks us for our username and password, and we'll enter that here. Okay, so our Launchpad service should be starting in just a few minutes. Okay, and there we have it. You can see the AVS Cloud has appeared on our desktop. There it is. We can move it around, and as we click on the AVS Cloud, you can see all of our installed Microsoft programs, and also you can see our online storage viewer. Now that we've installed the AVS Cloud, if I wanted to go in and run Outlook or Excel or Word, or look at my files that's stored in my online storage viewer cabinet, I could actually view them from right there. So, and I could have been working on the AVS Cloud on any other computer that I installed the Launchpad on, or if I wanted to actually work online, I would have actually gone to use the mobile web Launchpad, which you can actually use it in a browser if you're not comfortable installing the Launchpad on the machine that you want to actually use your cloud services. Okay, so now that we have our cloud services here, first thing I'll do is I want to actually go into my online storage viewer so that I can show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's gonna, right now what you see is our cloud services opening up that 256-bit encrypted connection between your computer and the cloud service. Okay, there we have it. Now that our online file cabinet is opened up, and you can see some of the files that I have inside of my online file cabinet. Each user gets 20 gigabits of storage with our basic cloud service operation. You also see these are the files that I've stored already on my online file cabinet. And over here to the left, you can see my cloud desktop. You can see all of my online storage in the cabinet, which is over here. And over here on the left also, you can see my local hard drives, which is available to access, as well as the cloud storage hard drive. Okay. Okay, and as you remember, we didn't have any Microsoft Office products installed on this PC. So right now what I want to do is I'm going to open up a document that I created just as a test, and you could see that I created a test here on 9/17. So I'm going to open up my test document. It's actually a Word document. I'm going to go ahead and tell my cloud service to open that up. And as you can see, Microsoft Word is starting, and there it is. That's my demo that I created September 27th, and I did an update to it at 1:06 p.m. So now I can go ahead and I can say this is my second update on, and today is 9/25 at 10:23 p.m. Now I can save that file. If I click the save button, it will save it just like it does when you're working on Word on your local desktop. But instead of saving it to the local My Documents folder like you would when you were not working on a cloud application, instead it saves that document into our online file cabinet, which keeps it safe and keeps you from ever having to worry about losing your documents. And now we'll close that document. Then I just close out of that Word document here. I'll just cancel that out of there. Okay, so I've closed that Word document, and if I wanted to actually restore that document back to an earlier time, I could right click on it, say restore to a previous version, and it will pop up and it's going to give me some of the previous versions right here once it finishes. And then when it does, I could just select that any of those previous versions, and it will let me take that file back in time to that location. So if I made some changes that I later wanted to get rid of, I could just go back in time and recreate the document the way it was before I changed it. Also, in case the document gets deleted or somehow gets corrupted, you could also go back to a previous version. Okay, as you can see, a previous version did appear. The previous version of that document I created on 9/17. So I could actually just take this document and open it right here, and there's the document that was created on 9/17 before I made the changes. So, and I could save that document and rename it or overwrite the existing document. Okay, so that's my previous version of that test document. Now if I close this out and I go back and I look at the existing document that I have still today, and there it is. There it is, the way I saved it after I made the changes today. Okay, and you can see how easy it is to open a Word document or an Excel document. Here's an Excel test that I created. We'll just go in and open Excel, and there's my test 1 2 3 4 document for Excel. As you can see, it doesn't look like a cloud version of these applications at all. These applications look and run and behave exactly like your applications that are currently installed on your work desktop today. And the beautiful thing about this cloud desktop, you can access it from any computer anywhere in the world where you have internet access. And when you're not working on your cloud desktop, you can just minimize everything that's on the cloud desktop and just use your normal desktop as you would at any other time. As you can see, there's your normal desktop, and your AVS Cloud is still running down here. That's our online file cabinet. So I could actually use any of my cloud documents, or if I wanted to, I could go into my local user documents and work on those documents as well. Or I could save my online documents to my desktop, to my local desktop, or vice versa. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.